Dear learners, let's now understand the physiological significance of flavonoids on human health. Most of the health benefits of flavonoids are due to their antioxidant activity. Let us study the various properties of flavonoids in detail. This module emphasizes on the effect of flavonoids on human health. The first property is antioxidant action of polyphenols. The polyphenols are identified as antioxidants because they first act as terminator of free radicals by rapid donation of hydrogen atoms, chelate metals ions like iron and copper, act as terminator of propagation, quench reactive oxygen species and reactive nitrogen species, inhibit lipooxygenase and cyclooxygenase enzymes, and lastly inhibit damage by heme protein or peroxide mixture. Among the various derivatives, flavonoids are the most potent and retain their scavenging capacity even after chelation with metal ions. The most important antioxidant role of polyphenols is with respect to the treatment, management and prevention of several degenerative diseases, particularly heart disease and cancer. We shall in turn learn about these in detail. Effect on cardiovascular system. Flavonoids, especially the flavonols quercetin and kaempferol, play a powerful role in heart disease. Flavonoid-rich foods have been associated with improved ventricular health, reduced platelet activity, enzymatic modulation, anti-inflammatory effect, and lower blood pressure to increase overall vascular health. Flavonoids and resveratrol may block cholesterol oxidation to reduce LDL and lower risk of cardiovascular disease. The Zutphen study in the Netherlands showed an inverse relationship between the incidence of chronic heart disease or stroke in elderly men with the dietary intake of flavonoids, especially quercetin, which originates mainly from tea, fruits and vegetables. Effect on inflammation. Flavonoids may prevent systemic or localized inflammation by restoring the redox balance to reduce oxidative stress and by modulating inflammatory response through mitigation of cytokine pathway. In some cases, flavonoids can act directly as antibiotics and have an antibiotic activity by disrupting the function of microorganisms like viruses or bacteria. The antiviral function of flavonoids have been demonstrated in HIV virus and HSV-1 or herpes simplex virus. Metal chelation. Metal ions such as iron and copper can catalyze the production of free radicals. The ability of flavonoids to chelate or bind metal ions contribute to their antioxidant activity in vitro. However, it is not known whether flavonoids and their metabolites function as effectively in vivo also. Effect of flavonoids on cancer inhibition. Flavonoids are helpful in inhibiting tumor growth promotion and progression through the following mechanism. Effect of cell signaling pathway. Available evidence from cell structure experiments suggest that flavonoids have the ability to modulate cell signaling pathway. Hence, flavonoids may affect chronic diseases by selectively inhibiting kinases. Cell growth and proliferation are also regulated by growth factors that initiate cell signaling by binding to the specific receptors in membrane proliferation. Flavonoids may alter the growth factor signaling by inhibiting receptor phosphorylation or blocking receptor binding by growth factor. Flavonoids such as anthocyanin catechins, flavonols, flavones, flavanones and isoflavones may neutralize free radicals and decrease cancer risk by arresting cellular growth in tumors. Specific effect of cancer with evidence to beneficial effect from polyphenols include colon cancer, prostate cancer, epithelial, endometrial and breast cancer. It supports action of vitamin C. Research clearly indicates that synergistic relationship between flavonoids and vitamin C has been observed. Both substances improves the antioxidant activity of other, and for various functions of vitamin C, the presence of flavonoids is essential. Next health benefit is gut health and flavonols. Flavonols induced an increase in the growth of lactobacillus species and bifidobacterium species, and they may have partly been responsible for the observed reduction in the C-reactive protein concentration, which are the blood markers of inflammation and a hallmark of acute phase response. Similarly, in an in vitro model, the bacterial fermentation or water-insoluble cocoa fractions was associated with an increase in bifidobacteria and lactobacilli as well as butyrate production. These microbial changes were associated with significant reduction in plasma triacylglycerol and C-reactive protein, suggesting the potential benefits associated with dietary inclusion of flavonols-rich foods. Polyphenols are a group of chemical substances found in plants characterized by the presence of more than one phenolic unit or building block or molecule. The main classes of polyphenols being flavonoids, phenolic acid derivatives, tannins, stilbenes and lignins. In addition to the phenolic acids, flavonoids and phenolic amides, there are several non-flavonoid polyphenols found in food. For example, resveratrol in grapes and red wine, allergic acid and its derivatives are found in berry fruits, example strawberries and raspberries, and in the skin of different tree nuts, lignins in flax, sesame and many grains. With the exception of flavonols, that is catechins and proanthocyanidins, flavonoids occur in plants and most foods as glycosides. The aglycans and glycosides are absorbed from the small intestine, where they are rapidly metabolized to form methylated, glucurinated and sulfodated metabolites. However, most polyphenols are present in the food in the form of esters, glycosides and polymers that cannot be absorbed in the native form. Before the absorption, these compounds must be hydrolyzed by intestinal enzymes or by the colonic microflora, and then they would be absorbed. The bioavailability of flavonoids is relatively low due to limited absorption and rapid elimination. Isoflavones are the most bioavailable group of flavonoids, while flavonols as proanthocyanidins and T-catechins and anthocyanins are very poorly absorbed. Flavonoids, especially the flavonols quercetin and camphorol, play a powerful role in heart disease. Flavonoid-rich foods have been associated with improved ventricular health, reduced platelet activity, enzymatic modulation, anti-inflammatory effect and lower blood pressure to increase overall vascular health. Flavonoids may prevent systemic or localized inflammation. Flavonoids can directly act as antibiotics by disrupting the function of microorganisms like viruses and bacteria. Flavonoids are helpful in inhibiting tumor growth, promotion and regression through effect of cell signaling pathways. They may alter the growth factor signaling by inhibiting receptor phosphorylation or blocking receptor binding by growth factors. Specific types of cancers with evidence of beneficial effect from polyphenols include colon, prostate, epithelial, endometrial and breast cancer. Thank you.